Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class or some problem let us solve of factorization chapter basing on difference of two squares. You know the difference of two squares. What are the factors of a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Basing on this, today we have, let us going to solve some questions. Let us learn some. 4x square minus 25y square. 4x square is 2x whole square. 25y square is 5y whole square. Here in place of a 2x is there. In place of b 5y is there. Thinking 2x as a, 5y as b, let us open this. Like a square minus b square is a means 2x, b means 5y, then 2x minus 5. That is a plus b into a minus b. Now second one, 32x square minus 18y square. And first thing you have to remember is, whenever you have to factorize any expression, if there are common factors in the given terms, that you have to do first. Here 32 is 2 into 16. Here 18 is 2 into 9. In both 2 is common. 2 into 16x square minus 9y square. You 16, 9 they are not, don't get any other factor. 2 into 16 is 4x whole square. 9y square is 3y whole square. So 2 into 4x plus 3y into 4x minus 3y, like a plus b, a minus b. Okay? Now, third one, 9x square minus 4 into y plus 2x whole square. No common factor, but this is equal to 3x whole square minus 2 into y plus 2x whole square. Already y plus 2x whole square is there, 4 means 2 square. That means 3x whole square minus, we can open 2y, actually 2 into y 2y plus 2 2s are 4x whole square. Any problem? 2 square and this one means this one. Now let me do here. Okay. This is equal to, this is like a, this is like b. A plus b into a minus b. So we'll have 3x plus 2y plus 4x. Otherwise minus means 3x minus, so let me write here 2y plus 4x. Both x are there, you see. 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 2y. And here 3x minus 2y minus 4x. You will get 7x plus 2y into 3x minus 4x is minus x minus 2y. Both are minus. So you can take minus common here and you can have minus 7x plus 2y. If you take minus common, you will get x plus 2y. X plus 2y. So after this I have done here. Okay. Now let me do this. A into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. Something here a minus 1, here b minus 1. No common factor. So let us open the brackets. A into a square minus a minus b into b square minus into minus plus b into 1b. Now a square minus b square minus a plus b. Any problem? Now let us group this and this. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. And if you take minus common, you will get a minus b. And in these two both, if you take a minus b common, you will have a plus b minus 1. Okay. Now, next question, question 5. little more different varieties I am explaining you. Please go through well. You see here, a to the power 4, b to the power minus b to the power 4 plus 2b square minus 1. When we look at this, it is seeming like b square minus 1 whole square. B to the power 4, b square 1. What is that you see? A to the power 4 minus, I am taking minus common in all these. B to the power 4 minus 2b square plus 1. And let me, a square whole square, b to the power 4 means b square whole square, minus 2 into b square into 1 plus 1 square. It's not seeming like b square whole square, minus 2ab, is it not b square minus 1 whole square? So this is a square whole square minus b square minus 1 whole square. Now it is like a square minus b square. Same formula we can use, that is a plus b into a minus b, and write a plus b means a square plus b square minus 1. A square minus b means minus b square minus 1. I used to tell you, if there is minus, you have to put back. That equal to a square plus b square minus 1. And when you open this, you will get a square minus b square minus into minus plus 1. You see children here, almost all the varieties. Here nothing common, simply squares. Here 2 common we got, then similar to this. And here what happened, here combined means 4 and this one is there. We have to, they do 2 square, then we have to multiply this. So all are varieties. Here you see, it is given like this. First of all we have to open, then we have to group them. And here we are getting like a minus b whole square formula. Like the different varieties of sums today I have explained you. And the next class many more sums we are going to do. Okay, practice this well, you will be able to do well. Thank you.